Hi everybody! Today the kitchen is very romantic. It's still with us in the Valentine's Day vibe. I know it's a little late, but you can still use this dessert for other special occasions such as anniversary, Mother's Day, a special date night, and a very good one is for making a proposal. And here I will show you step by step how to make this beautiful, delicious, and very romantic roseberry mousse.
Get your butter melted. Corn syrup can be white or brown sugar, Brand. Vanilla can be extract or paste, and your flour. Add the brown sugar to the hot butter until dissolved. Add the corn syrup, vanilla, and Brand and mix until nice and smooth. Add the mixture to the flour into additions and mix until well combined. Now let's get ready the trays for the meringue nut layer or dacquoise. I took the mold measurements and used a cutter with the same size. Now let's go for the ingredients for the dacquoise: egg whites, sugar, lemon zest, flour, icing sugar, and almond flour. Mix together your flour, icing sugar, and almond powder. Beat the egg whites in medium speed. When you see the foam like that, add the sugar gradually. Fold into the dry ingredients until just combine it. Place into a piping bag and pipe on your marked trays. Bake to 350 Fahrenheit to start. With 10, turn and check. It's about 20 minutes, but it really depends on your oven. So check and go for more. I would say after 10, go for more 5 minutes and check. Bake until lightly golden. Now for the mousse ingredients, I have my cold cream in a bowl, my water and sugar in a pot, egg yolks, and my berry purees separately because I'm making for the same recipe 2 different flavors, blackberry and raspberry, but you can make it just one flavor if you want it. I just divided the 250 grams in the recipe. Put your gelatin in cold water and reserve. Start by whipping your cream to medium peaks and keep it to the fridge. Add the yolks to the mixture using a whisk. Start to mix in low speed. Bring the water and the sugar to 116 Celsius. Add the bloomed gelatin into the syrup pot until dissolved. Bring 2 yolks mix in slow speed. When the syrup is all in, mix faster until light yellow and a little warm.
Add to the berry puree, mixing well and fold into whipped cream. Fold the cream into additions. Get your molds and use the scoop. Add halfway of the mold. Place it across and fill the rest. Freeze it about 2 hours and the mold to assemble. So, for our bouquet or brand snaps, I have the mixture from the refrigerator, cold water and a scoop. I got a small bowl, a mug and a medium bowl. Get the dough from the fridge. Using the scoop, soak in cold water and fill it with the dough. Make balls using your hand and press it on the tray. My tray is not really big, and because I want big size, I'm placing just 2 per tray. You should have rounded shapes on the tray. Place it to the oven 350 Fahrenheit to 5 minutes and start to shake it. It's gonna be about 20 minutes. But you're looking for a very golden caramel color. You will need a pair of gloves to protect your hands. And to work with the dough after baked, you also need a paring knife and offset spatula. So, when the dough comes out from the oven, you're gonna use a paring knife and cut the parts that are together. If you start to work with the dough and it's still very soft, just leave it, wait a little more, and start it. You will feel that's gonna set a little more, and then you can start to work with. So, for the crumble, mix all ingredients together, bake it for about 8 to 10 minutes until lightly golden. And here, for my presentation, I got those beautiful glasses and those plates. Let's get the crumble, some edible flowers, lime leaves, you can also use mint leaves, and some berries. As you can see, my basket is right the size as my glass. So if you use this glass, you just need to have a mug or a bowl that fits exactly with the size of your glass. So I just got some crumble on the base, place the leaves and put my mousse. After that, you just decorate with some flowers and berries.
I also made this basket with the 2 flavors so you can serve as a sharing dessert. And now, let's see how we're gonna assemble this for a proposal.
So guys, I really hope you like this video. I made lots of love. If you really like it, don't forget to drop a like. And if you'd like to watch more like this, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.